Hello everyone. I have a video up of Parrot Encrypted Live Persistent USB 3.0 boot time, and now I'm making one for Persistent Live USB 2.0 boot time. The friend of mine I had made the last video for doesn't have any 3.0 drives, so I'm oh, that's not going to work. Forgot to enter my boot menu. And as you can see, it's just a generic 32 gig 2.0 drive. Now if you just do persistence, it's going to boot a lot faster than this, but I'm doing the encrypted. Love that backlit keyboard. Once you try that, there's no going back. Back it up a little bit, I guess. And now it's asking for the encryption. And continuing the boot. And it sure enough does boot quite a bit slower with a USB 2.0. And almost there. And there we go. Oh, I haven't set it up yet. Oh, you know what? There is one difference between this and my other video, in that the other one was 4.3, and this one I just downloaded the 4.4 and threw it onto a USB 2.0, so that is one difference. Alright, well that's it.